Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of x squared multiplied with e to the power of x squared dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by parts. So we have u and dv. U equal to s, so we got about the u equals ds, dv equal to s multiplied with e to the power of s squared ds. So the integral of this one, you will get about v equal to e to the power of s squared over 2. And now u multiply with v, so you got about s multiplied with e to the power of s squared over 2. We have the negative in here. This one multiply with this one. Next, we multiply with number 4 over 4, and then we have the square root of e in here. Next, so in this situation you got about 2 multiply with e to the power of s to the power of 2 over the square root of p. So you got about square root of p over 4. So in this one, we need to change to imaginary error function. And then we put about c is about constant. That's the end. Thank you for watching.